Hello everyone. Today in my video I am going to teach you replacement nomenclature. This is an alternative form of systematic nomenclature which is based on replacement of one or more carbon atoms of this carbocycle by heteroatoms. Now this is the most systematic method of naming heterocyclic compounds since it requires very little elaboration of the rules already developed for the carbocycles. So without wasting our time, let us start. This is very useful for bridged and spiroring systems. Let us start now. Here the heteroatom present is nitrogen. When it is nitrogen, it is called as aza. So let me write it down as aza. When we number, we will start the numbering from here. So 1. This is a 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring with alternately present double bonds. It resembles benzene. Therefore, we can say it is aza 1-aza benzene. But 1 is understood and therefore we can say it is aza benzene. Let us see the second one. There is phosphorus and nitrogen present. When we see the priority table, nitrogen comes first and phosphorus comes second. So N means aza, P means phosphor. Let us number it starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-membered ring with double bonds present alternatively. So alternately present double bonds means it is a benzene ring. Now, let us number it. 1, aza is 1, phosphor is 4. Let us write down the name. 1, aza, 4, phosphor, benzene. There are no spaces in between whatever the space is there. The dashes are given. Let us see this one. S means given as thia. Let us do the numbering starting from here. 1, 2, 6. It is a 6-membered ring, but it does not have alternately present double bonds. Therefore, it contains only 2 double bonds and it is cyclic compound. Therefore, we say it as cyclo and not benzene. It is a 6-membered ring, means hexa. It contains double bond, means ene. It contains 2 double bond, means diene. The sulfur thia groups are present at number 1 and 4. They are 2 in numbers, therefore it is dithia. The dienes, the double bonds are present at number 2 and number 5. It is 2, 5. So let us write down the name. One, 4, thia, cyclo, hexa, 2, 5, diene. There will be no space given in between. Oxygen is present, so it is oxa. There are no double bonds present. It is a continuous carbocyclic ring. Therefore, it is a singly bonded heteroatom. Therefore, it is an alkane. Alkane. It contains 5 carbon. Therefore, it is pentane. It is a cyclic compound. Therefore, it is cyclo. So the name is oxacyclopentane. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Do continue watching. I'll be very soon uploading nomenclature for fused ring systems.